So hello guys, welcome back to this video. So this video is not a video okay. So the last video I have told I have done some mistakes. And I was really what you say worried about what was my mistake, like that. Okay, so the mistake I will be doing is explained here. Okay, so we'll be looking at what you're looking at is a one daily chart. So yesterday we had this daily fair value up here. I think it's still valid for yesterday. Market when opened here, went up there, came back down again. So with respect to 4 hour, yesterday if you are on trade at London section, you had this 4 hours that really there, came to 4 hour. And in the last video, I have explained the trade that for London section. Okay, so I'm not gonna explain this video. So coming to 1 hour, we had this 1 hour for really got invest. Next candle came to this 1 hour for here, then reversed back. Okay, we will be discussing that too. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to just 5 minute chart. So what we had here is prior to 7 o'clock, we had this native equal loss down here, right? So this is a huge form of liquidity. Okay. So and 7:30, sorry, 7 o'clock starts here. Sorry here. Went up a little higher. Created a short time low. Again start to went up, going up, going to this daily fair value gap up there, and coming back. Though my target would be this one. Okay, so it doesn't do this low. That is the low which is created after 7 o'clock. Okay. So this was the low, highest low. Sorry, lowest low. This was the highest high. After a 7:30 and this was 8:30. Okay. So you can see that 8:30 opened here, went there earlier, went down a little bit, wait to take out the 7, the lowest low after 7 o'clock, and started rally up. This is where I made the mistake. I haven't, I haven't note of this prior to 8:30. Okay. I haven't checked what it was prior to 8:30. Oh. Okay, so after 8:30, when rallied up, look out this 7 high after highest high after 7 o'clock. So okay, our bias was bearish for yesterday because when it came to this daily fair value, I thought it has to go down. Okay, so my first target could be this target, and my final target could be this one. If it went up here, it's fine. I don't. You can't catch the entire move. Okay. Okay. So the center swing was caught up here. Okay. Fine. That's really fine. No problem in that. Okay. So if you have that cuts, you can hold up to here. No problem. But I don't have that guts. Okay. At least you can hold up to here. Okay. Now let's go to the trade. If you are trying to take a trade on this 5 minutes, when this candle process, I would have waited for the stock to shift. Okay. But there are two FVGs which we can say, which is a 10-minute FVG, which was closed by two 5 minute candles. That is fine. That means it's showing a lower uh, pull, pull to the sell side. Okay. So if you're taking, say there is no need for a stock to shift. Okay. You have a liquidity sweep up here. Okay. Just look at, you can see that low was taken. This low was not taken. Sorry. So here this low was taken, right? So that's enough. You got to enter on either on this. Where we have making stops around this level. Okay, this can result out there. That's not. Uh, if it was able to come up there, it can also go up. Okay, so you can either take an entry on this candle, sorry, this fairway here, or on this order block. This is an order block, right? High, higher, high, lower, low. This was the low, again a lower, and as I said, stop was at this level, and the first target is always this low, that is 7 o'clock. The lowest low after 7 o'clock, and final target is this relative windows, almost 7 hours. Yeah, almost 7 hours, but like going to a deeper, like going to smaller time frame. You can see this high has taken the single candle here, power, and created a what do you say, down moment. This low here, this was a thing that I have told in 5 minutes. Okay, and I was looking at this 1 minute. You see, this was not set. Okay, this low was set. Okay, and we have a liquidity point up here. Okay, so any idiots who have shorted from anywhere here would have, sorry, any idiots would have shorted from here would have put their stops here. Stops out. When do this 1 minute parallel here? Or this 2 minute outflow. Okay, this is was a perfect one. Okay, while I was watching but when I was watching on the chart on MT5, this was a perfect 2 minute for the clock. Okay, this 1 minute plus this 1 minute. If you have got this kinds of what to say, order block with this kinds of FVG, I would rather say to pick a trade on this order block. So shit, order block here. That's gonna be your stops. Or you can put your stops around. I told you to put the stops here, right? So if you are taking in 2 minutes, this could be fine. Almost 60 pips. First target is this low. Yeah, there. And our last target is this. Oh shit. Our last target would be this sell side down there at almost 5.85. So that is fine. So let's say I told you when this 1 minute, 1 hour FPG was reversed, inverse. Let's look at this particular Kentucky of 11 a.m. So I think 11 a.m. starts somewhere here. Yeah, here it closes. Sorry, here it closes now. 11 a.m. starts. Went up a little higher. Failed to get down. Take out this low. Again, took out this high. This low was here. So I was still able to take out this low. And liquidity sweep around this low again. But do we had there? We had this small bar imbalance there. We had this more block right there. Okay. If you do like this, just was around 32 pips. For sure, I won't take this trade, okay, because yeah, The best perfect one for me here. Okay, so mostly I used to put the short process tips candidates. Right. I don't do this trade. Okay, I will hold that. I have to take this trade. I will hold that trade. It's what's that? So now pyramid up here. Okay, so that's it. I think that's all for the video, guys. So today there will be one more video that I have promised on that Wednesday. Okay, so Wednesday that big move up. This move. Okay, the reason for that move. Okay, so today even also I will do that. So I think hope you guys understand the mistake that I have did and try not to make that mistakes again. Okay, so guys, uh, thanks for watching. Think see you on the next video sometime. So let's move our daily 1 hour range to here. So that's all for the video, guys. Bye.